What are the best certifications for a career in the cloud? Today's video, we're going to discuss the three-step process I recommend for every single person looking to find the best certifications to build out their cloud career. Hey, if you're new here, welcome to the channel, else welcome back. I'm Perez the Dev. We discuss all things technology and business. If you enjoyed today's video, please make sure to like and follow for more tech and business content. Diving into step one of best certifications for your cloud career. Even before the certifications, step one, I love to say, is figure out what type of role you want. It's important to understand you want to block out all the other noise and just focus on the one role or your main goal. Because if you want to become a developer or DevOps, then that has nothing really to do with solutions architecture and design. And then vice versa. If your main goal is solutions architecture and designing, then you don't want to be wasting your time with DevOps or coding. You want to be able to focus on your main role and developing skills in that path. You think about your energy as a circle. You could be focusing your energy in all these different directions, or go ahead and focus on one goal, one role, and have your energy allowed to be focused in one direction. So again, energy in all these different places or energy all in one direction, that will take you much, much farther. So once you can pinpoint, do you want to be a solutions architect? Do you want to be a cloud architect? Do you want to be a cloud engineer or some sort of developer within the cloud, right? Once you can pinpoint that, the what, why, and how, then we can go to step two. Step two, get certified in one of the two main cloud providers. Now, the two main cloud providers are AWS and Azure. So those are the biggest cloud providers in terms of market share. Now, of course, we also have GCP growing. That's another great one. But the reason I say one of these two, either AWS or Azure, is because they have the largest market share and thus the largest relevancy when it comes to the cloud technology market in the industry. Of course, you can go and get your GCP certification if that's what you want to do, but the most sought out and looked for certifications come from AWS and Azure in terms of your cloud career. So if you know you want to be a solutions architect for GCP, then of course, go for your GCP certification. Absolutely. But when it comes to market share and understanding your relevancy and trying to open up a wide net so you have the widest relevancy possible, then you want to go for AWS or Azure. Now, the top certifications for AWS as a solutions architect are, of course, the Solutions Architect Professional Certification. Now, you can also go for the Azure Solutions Architect Expert Certification. So that's more for the solutions architect side. Now, for developer DevOps side, you would go for the AWS DevOps Professional Certification or the Azure DevOps Expert Certification if DevOps and development and coding is more your spectrum. Now from there, once you understand what role you want to go after, and you understand what cloud provider you want to focus on, go after that main professional or expert level certification. Because from there, that allows us to move on to step three of the process, earn a specialty certification that you can mix with your cloud certification. And what I mean by this is it's not enough to just have your cloud certification. Now, of course, that'll get you a role, but we are looking for the best certifications possible to maximize the probability that you will get hired for a specific job and maximize your salary when you do get hired. So what you want to do is also get a professional level certification with some sort of specialty. So if you want to do cloud and databases, then you want to go for a database certification from Oracle. Or if you want to do a more security focused cloud career, then you will go for something like the CISSP, because that allows you to show proficiency in the security side of the cloud, because you have your professional level cloud cert and you have your CISSP, which showcases your professional security level understanding of cloud and security in the technology sector. If you want to do more networking and approach it as a cloud networking professional, then of course you have your cloud certification and you want to have either CCNA, but ideally a CCNP, Cisco Certified Network Professional Certification, because that showcases that you understand the infrastructure, you understand the network and the data center of not just the cloud, but like of actual IT, right? Of the technology because a cloud is just the virtualized version of that network. That's all it is. So again, step one, articulate what kind of role and what job you actually want to aim for, you want to be in. Then from there, you want to get certified in either AWS or Azure, as they have the largest market share within the cloud technology space. And then step three, earn a specialty certification that you can go ahead and mix with your cloud professional certification and showcase on your resume, sort of like a badge of honor, right? That's the whole point of certifications. You can showcase to hiring managers and recruiters, hey, not only do I have my professional certification in either solutions architecture or DevOps, I also have this specialty certification that I want to do in security. So if you want security, CISSP is the creme de la creme best certification you can go for in terms of tier. Now, if you're looking for something a little less managerial and you only have a few years of experience, then definitely check out the SSCP. And the reason I say this is because even though the SSCP is a little less managerial, it still shows that you have that technical proficiency, that foundational understanding of security. Plus, that mixed with your cloud professional certification shows that you have relevancy in the cloud and you're able to apply both security and your cloud knowledge all together in one within the role you want. So best certifications to go after once you understand what role it is you want would of course be the professional level certifications within either AWS or Azure, depending on the role you want, and then mixing that with a professional level certification. So if you want to be more of a networking route within the cloud, go for your CCNP. If you are looking for more security route, then CISSP is the best cert to go after. But of course, if you're just starting out, you can go for CCNA in terms of networking or SSCP in terms of security. And then database certification, if you want to be more database specialty, you can go after the MySQL 5.7, or you can go after the Oracle 12c database admin certification as well, because that shows that you have competency and understanding within that sector mixed with your cloud certification. So mixing those two together, I think will provide you the maximum return on your investment in terms of time, in terms of money, and in terms of finding the cloud role and building the cloud career that you want. If you enjoyed today's video, please make sure to like and follow for more business and tech related content. As always, I'm Perez the Dev, and thanks for watching.